Looks like you've received a critical notification from your organization. Let's dive right in and see how the Handtevy Notification Center works. Here are 3 ways to access your notifications. You can tap the push notification and it'll take you straight to the message. Alternatively, you can click the pop-up message in your Handtevy mobile app, or open the hamburger menu and select Notifications. Let's open it together. Here, you'll find all the key details: who sent the notification, when it was sent, who received it, as well as the subject and message content. Looks like this notification requires acknowledgement. After reviewing, simply tap Acknowledge. Once you do, a copy of the notification will be sent to the email linked to your Handtevy mobile account, great for keeping records. Next, let's check out the inbox. Here, you can review all your current and past notifications. Oh, here's another one. This notification is general and doesn't require acknowledgement. To make sure you never miss a notification, remember to enable push notifications in your Handtevy mobile app. Check that push notifications are enabled in your device settings. The Handtevy Notification Center keeps you informed, prepared, and ready to respond. Because staying in the know can make all the difference. Thanks for using Handtevy Mobile.